A very good morning to all my little ones. How are you, children? I hope you all are in good health. I am Jennifer ma'am. In the earlier session, you have learned all about animals, wild, pet and farm. You also learned how useful animals are to us. The food they eat, the different sounds they make, the homes they live in, and their young ones. Today, you will learn how to spell the names of some of the animals and then write them in your notebook. Now, let us see some of the different animals that we have on our planet Earth and learn their names and spellings.
Children, welcome to the animal kingdom. The first animal is a lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Children, please repeat after me. L-I-O-N, lion. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. It is a wild animal and is very strong, powerful, and can roar loudly. It is found in colors of white, yellow, orange, and brown. A baby lion is called a cub. A lion lives in a den. It eats the flesh of other animals. As you see, our next picture is that of a tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Please repeat. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. The tiger is our national animal. It is a wild animal and has stripes of orange, black and white. It also roars like the lion and growls too. A young one of a tiger is called a cub. A tiger lives in a den or lair. It eats a variety of animals. The next animal we have is a big, huge elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. An elephant is a wild animal and lives in the forest. It is the largest land animal on earth. It has a long trunk, 2 white tusks, large floppy fan-like ears, and 4 fat pillar-like legs. It is usually grayish-black in color. The elephant trumpets. A baby elephant is called a calf. It eats plants, shrubs, trees, etc. Children, I don't need to tell you the name of this animal. Some of you may be having it in your homes too. Well, this is a dog. D-O-G, dog. Please repeat. D-O-G, dog. A dog is a pet animal. It is a faithful animal and is used to guard our home. It is seen in several colors like black, white, brown, etc. A baby dog is called a pup. A dog lives in a kennel. It eats bones, vegetables and drinks milk too. Our next picture is a sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Children, please repeat. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. A sheep is a domestic animal. It is a mild and gentle animal. It gives us wool, from which we make our woolens. It is usually seen in colors of white, black and brown. A young one of a sheep is called a lamb. A sheep lives in a pen. It eats plants, grass, etc. Our last picture is a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. A horse is a domestic animal. It is strong and can run very fast. A horse is a beautiful animal with a long tail. Most of you must have seen a horse. It can sleep in a standing position. A horse is usually reddish brown and black in color. In olden times, horse racing was very popular. A young one of a horse is called a foal. A horse lives in a stable. It eats grass, hay, grams, etc.
Now, let us write the names of the animals that you have just learned in our notebook. Children, please open your 4-line notebook. We will begin with writing the date on the left-hand corner of the margin. 2/8/28-10-2020. Now leave 3-finger space and write the title Animals. Down, down, across, capital A, down, up, curve and down, N, down and a dot, I, down, up, curve and down, M, curve around, up and down, A, down, L, curve and reverse curve, S, animals. Now draw 2 lines. The first line the second line. On the left hand side of the margin, you have to write numbers 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blue line to blue line. Below number 5, put a cross in the margin. Now put a cross in the next 3 columns. Now below the cross in the margin, start writing numbers 1 to 5
once again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now let's begin. To the right of the margin where number 1 is written, please write lion. Close to the margin, red line to blue line. Down and out, capital L. Down with a dot, blue line to blue line, I. You make a circle, blue line to blue line, O. Down, up, curve and down, blue line to blue line, N. L-I-O-N, lion. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. On the same line in the next column, write tiger. You start from the red line across and you come down to the blue line, capital T. Down and a dot, blue line to blue line, I. Curve around, up, down and curve to the red line, G. Blue line to blue line, E. Down, up and curve, blue line to blue line, R. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. The tiger is our national animal. And in the last column, you write elephant. Start from the red line, you come down to the blue line. From the red line, across, across and across, capital E. Red line, you come down to the blue line, L. Blue line to blue line, E. From the blue line, you come down to the red line, you go up and you curve, blue line to blue line, P. From the red line, you come down, you go up, curve and down, H. Curve around, up and down, A. Down, go up, curve and come down, blue line to blue line, N. Little below the red line, you come down, you curve, across, T. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal on earth. Now, the fourth animal will be written next to number 1 in the lower half of the page. Please write dog. From the red line, you come down to the blue line and you make a curve. Capital D, blue line to blue line. Make a circle O, curve around, up and down to the red line G. D-O-G, dog. A dog is a faithful animal and guards our home. In the same line, in the next column, write sheep. From the red line, you make a curve to the blue line, a reverse curve, capital S. From the red line, you come down, you go up and come down, H. E, E, blue line to blue line. From the blue line, you come down, you go up and curve, P, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. A sheep gives us wool. And in the last column, write horse. From the red line, you come down to the blue line, red line to the blue line, across, capital H, blue line to blue line, O, down, you go up and curve, R, curve and reverse curve, S, E, blue line to blue line, H-O-R-S-E, horse. A horse is a beautiful animal with a long tail. So let's revise the animals once again. L-I-O-N, lion. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, P-H-A-N-T, elephant. D-O-G, dog. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Children, each animal's name has to be written 4 times.
So children, do revise the names and the spellings of the animals taught today. We shall meet again tomorrow. Bye and take care.